Okay, so you know what we're gonna do now? No?
Yes.
What are we gonna do?
You're gonna hide my elbow.
Yes, I'm gonna hide your LOL and you have to look for it. Okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so you go in your room. I'm gonna tell you when it's ready, okay? I'm gonna knock. Okay?
What's it out?
Yes. Okay, I'll be back. I have her LOL. I'm gonna hide it and she's gonna look for it. It could be anywhere here. Where should I put it at? I don't know where she wouldn't find it. Somewhere she wouldn't find it. Where would it be? I'll probably put it under the chair. I think right here. I don't think she'll look through here. Look. Are you ready? Okay. Let's go. You have to find the LOL. Okay, look for it. Anywhere. Is it there?
No.
It's not there, okay? Where would it be? Did you find it? Where was it? Oh, I thought you wouldn't find it. You found it so quick. That was quick. Are you ready to open them?
Yes. Which one I got? Yes. What? 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 Like a lot. What? Another one? So cool.
What
This
did
time,
you get?
I'm going to open it. I'm going to open this one. Oh, I got this thingy.
Show
This
them
is green.
It's green.
Yeah. Now I'm going to open this one. This thingy. It's a white thingy.
What is it?
I don't know. From my little kitten up. And now I'm going to open this one. Look!
Surprises? What is it?
Look! She got baby earrings and...
She's cute. I like her.
She's the girl.
I like her. She's pretty.
Nothing. Oh,
What is it?
that's for
Your bracelet. So cute.
her dress. Her dress. So now we just her bottle. Bottle, look.
That's cute. That is really cute. A yellow bottle. Or green. Is it yellow? Yeah, it's yellow and green.
Look.
She's cute.
What is this? It's food. It's food for the baby. It's food.
It's food?
Yeah, look.
Or is it a hat? That kind of looks like a hat. Is it a hat?
Yes.
It is a hat. It does look like food.
It looks like a yum in the tummy.
Yeah, it does. It looks something sweet. I would eat that.
What's this?
Let's find out. Is that everything? Or you have more to open?
No.
Mm. Mhm.
And here's her hat. Her hat looks perfect. Okay, baby. Look, I got this.
You got the doll?
Yeah. And her have ingredients too.
What
Look.
color are they?
I think yellow.
Yes. So this is what she got.
And
This
her dress. Her dress.
Yeah, her dress.
And her bottle and her hat. Hat.
So it says right here that she can either cry or pee on herself if we put her in cold water. So that's what we're gonna do. Are you ready? Here's the cold water with ice. Do you think she's gonna pee or cry?
Pee.
Do you think she's gonna pee?
Yeah. Pee.
She
Pee.
peed?
Yeah.
She peed?
Yes, a little bit. Come on, bee. Why is she?
Get her in the water. Let's see if she changes colors or if she has something on or what happens. She has like a swimsuit. We can see it now. She's so cute. Okay, so I think you should put her clothes on. Let's see how it fits her. It matches her hat. She looks fruity. Look, you forgot to put her little bracelet. She has her little bracelet. She's cute. Are you gonna feed her more? Give her more wet water?
She pee a lot.
She's gonna pee a lot.
More on it.
She's peeing. Uh-oh, she fell. Lights on. Dance. She gonna dance or sing? What is your girl doing? Your LOL doing?
I think she's dancing.
She dancing? Look at her, put it on her earrings. They look like a different color.
Yeah, but not now.
Put it on the other side. It looks like bright green.
Yeah.
She thought her LOL didn't come with no shoes, but she ended up coming with a shirt. A shirt and her shoes. What color are her shoes?
Yellow.
Yes, they're yellow. Now she can stand up really good here. I was like, no wonder. Couldn't really move this because she would fall. But now that we have her shoes, it will help a lot. Okay, so here she... Okay, now we can see the difference. She has her shoes on her and her shirt. What color is her shirt? What does it look like?
It looks like green.
Like green, yeah, it does. Her shoes and her earrings and her shirt. Everything that's yellow, it looks like green. What if we turn off the light?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay. Wow, she is glowing. She's glowing. You see her lips? She is cute, guys. Everything's glowing. Literally, everything's glowing. So cute.
Yeah.
She's so pretty. Her name is Chica Chica. I like it. I like your little light. Let's see if you light up too. Oh. She glows. You kind of glow too. You look blue. She looks green. You look blue.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bye guys. See you next time.